Goldbell runs a series of customer care programs to provide you with our utmost assurance in product reliability and value enhancement, and keep your vehicle on the road for a longer time at a lower cost. Series 2 of our customer care program on vehicle accident repair and claims. What should you do when you meet with an unfortunate vehicle accident? We recommend that you take these 5 steps to achieve a speedy vehicle recovery and worry-free insurance claim. Step 1. Don't panic. Getting angry will not help to get things done correctly. Step 2. Take pictures of the accident scene, vehicle damages, and record driver particulars of the other vehicles involved in the accident. Step 3. Call Goldbell Motor Claims Department for a free accident assistance and consultation. Step 4. Time is of an essence. Report your accident through Goldbell within 24 hours. Step 5. Sit back, relax. Goldbell will handle the claims for you. Why Goldbell? Number 1, we're approved by multiple insurers as reporting center and repair workshop for all brands of passenger cars and commercial trucks and buses. Number 2, we have accident reporting centers in every corner of Singapore. Number 3, our professional claims team is here to provide quality and speedy repair at our fully equipped body shops. Goldbell is always mindful on your vehicle's condition and roadworthiness, especially after an accident-damaged vehicle repairs. We will provide free vehicle inspection within 6 months. Call us at our 24/7 hotline, 9755-7336 for any vehicle accident.
Goldbell, going miles for you.